I show you how to unfold it. Wait. So first step, you have to push the button to unlock, and then you can unfold it. Like this way. Okay. Now I show you how to fold it. You have to fold the handlebar, and then you press the button again. There is another button to unlock, and then you can fold it like this way.
还有个开机键。
Okay, and unfold again. 先再打开一下。Okay, you press button to unlock because there is a lock. You have to lock and unlock, and then you press the button to turn off the switch. Here is the main power. The main power switch is here. Charlie, it's here. Okay, this is power off. This is power on, and then okay, this one on off, and you here the throttle. You turn, you can go. Here's the brake. Yeah, that's it. Okay.